So here is my Insta account. So you can click that follow button. You can contact me at any time for any kind of technological queries. I'm ready to help you. On the other end, for web designing or any other courses or internships, if you want to contact us, yes, I'm ready to help you. Here is the contact number to contact us. What is a map tag, sir? Map tag is aligned with image tag. So map tag and the image tag are friends. So image tag, you can specify so in the image tag, I can specify a particular portion to be I want to zoom a particular portion. On clicking a particular portion, I want to do something. I want to redirect the link to some other place if I click a particular portion of an image. In that case, we can have a map tag. So in this map tag, so I got my image tag. In this image, I will make it as a map. The entire image is a map. Under that, you got specific areas. In these specific areas, I can specify the coordinate of the area also. What is the x and y axis? Okay, and I can specify the shape also if you want. On clicking that specific portion, move to some other. What is the action you want to do? I want to show an alert message. I want to redirect to some other URL. Whatever things you want, you can specify it. That is how your map tag and your area tag works. Let's move on to my website. I can show you a lot of details to you. Let's move on to the topics learning link. This link is available in the description and in the first comment. Over here, as I told you, you got your map tag and your area tag here. So map tag, in the sense, it is a very lengthy piece of coding. So you can see the animation and the output over here. Okay, so I'll come back here. You got the map tag. So that is an entire image like this. I got my image tag, and use map is the option used to give the map tag name. So map underscore name, hash of map underscore name. Once if you give it, so I'm trying to specify it here, let it be, so that I can show you some output here. Okay, so over here, yes, I got the map tag, the entire image, and this is the entire map, area. So you got three areas. You can see the three areas. Okay, on clicking each area, it is moving to somewhere. So over here, I can show you here. So image tag, and you are creating a map. In that, I got specific area, and in this area, you can specify the shape and the x1, y1, x2, y2, the coordinate axis, the hyperreference, the link, and the alternative tags and everything. This is area. Another area, once again rectangle, another rectangle, another circle. You got this circle here, the coordinates and everything here. Okay, over here you are able to see you got the coordinates like this. On clicking this one, you can see here the rectangle. You got the rectangle here. You got another rectangle here. You got the circle. You got the circle here. So the rectangle coordinate is given. The hyper reference, on clicking it, where I should go. So on clicking it, where I should go. So everything is specified. So this is how your image and your map tag is. Okay, as I told you, your map tag will have the area. Over here you got the area tag. So area, in the sense you got, in addition to the area, you got lot of options over here. Just go and check my website.